I was actually in high school and I was volunteering up at High Desert Haven, and the activities director at the time hired me. I organize the calendar, I get different activities, I get different groups from the town to come up and sing for us or do certain activities for us, and Cerro Coso helped me handle that better. At High Desert Haven we have an internship program for the students from the human services that come to us. The volunteers we get, they want to know more about the medical field and the elderly side of the field most of the times. The residents welcome the interns from the college. At first it's a little bit like, oh, who's this person coming in? But once they get to know them, they're like, oh, when is so-and-so coming down? When can they come down and play bingo with us again? The skills I learned at Cerro Coso really helped me get better at my job at High Desert Haven. Career education, a great business investment.